What's up, YouTube? Do you want to finally start ranking your videos here on YouTube, like really getting serious results? If so, I think you're going to love what I have to tell you in my review of Tube Gorilla. And if you stick with me, by the way, I'm going to show you how to save another $3 and get it for a discount. It's all coming up. Stick with me. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. Now, why would that be? Well, it's actually quite simple because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the few people that can pull one successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes can be a stale as well, that really disgusting bread that you found buried in the freezer that you forgot about 6 months ago. It might still be good, it might not be good. You can put it in the toaster because you're kind of in the mood for toast. Okay, fine. I'm drawing an image and maybe it's not working. Anyway, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products in the make money online niche. Now, why would I do such a thing? Well, it's actually quite simple. It's because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Bart, really? Every single day you gotta say this? Do you know how often I've heard this guy? You know, I've put in hundreds of videos here, and the guy is always on my videos. Yakety, yakety, yakety. Crap. You'd think he would get a life already. Bart, seriously. There's other things besides saying crap. The way things work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Why, thank you, Liz Lemon. You see, Liz is a sweetheart. I love her. How could anybody be angry at her? She's a sweetheart. Anyhow, if you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. If you're frankly subscribed, it doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Welcome. We are on the sales page for the Tube Gorilla software. This is a brand new piece of software from my friends Dan Ashendorf and Trevor Carr. Actually, both of these people, by the way, have been doing this for a long time, and I really owe both Dan and Trevor quite a bit. Trevor actually helped me launch my very first product ever, which was called Local Video Jackpot, and Dan has been a friend to me pretty much from the first day that I got into this industry. So two really good people who really know their stuff, and they have a very, very interesting product here. Now, before we talk about what the software actually does, I do want to tell you about my custom bonuses because I always have the best custom bonuses that you're ever going to see. Seriously, nobody's going to beat me on bonuses. So first and foremost, I'm going to give you, when you pick up this software. By the way, I'm going to show you in just a minute how to actually get it at a discount. The regular price is $17. I'm going to show you how to knock another $3 off. Just bear with me. I'm going to show it to you in just a few minutes. So you can get it for just $14, which is a real bargain, and especially when you consider the bonuses I'm giving you, which are absolutely insane. The first thing I'm going to give you is my Tube Dominator course. Now, this is a high-ticket course that was created after my very first product launch. We charge $500 for it. You're getting it for free. Now, obviously not getting all the personal coaching, but you are getting the course completely for free, which is a big deal because I share some really high-level secrets here. I'm also going to give you 200 video clips, which you can use to create videos, and I'm going to be giving you my course on using DaVinci Resolve, which is completely free software. I'm going to teach you exactly how to use DaVinci Resolve to create high-end videos that you can put up here on YouTube. Plus, if all that is enough, I'm going to give you a set of done-for-you thumbnails. Now, the software does come with a thumbnail editor. I'm giving you more than that. You're going to get 10 done-for-you thumbnails that you can edit with free software. And if all that is not enough for you, in addition to all that stuff, I'm also going to be giving you my little scene course on using Audacity to create podcasts from your videos. So basically, you're going to be able to take your videos, turn it into a podcast, and drive even more traffic using these methods. If you pick up any upgrade, I will also give you an SEO campaign. Pick up any 2 upgrades, I'm going to give you a shout out to my 7,000 plus Instagram followers. And on top of all that, if that all isn't enough, for your $14, I mean, really, this is an insane bargain. $14, you're going to be also getting 5 ways to build your authority on YouTube. You're going to get the Traffic Handbook video course. You're going to get how to become a successful social media influencer, how to become a successful social media influencer video upgrade. So basically, you're going to get the book as well as the video. And you get a YouTube quick start guide, the guide to modern vlogging, not blogging, vlogging as in making videos. Okay, and of course, the upgrade again, the modern vlogging video upgrade. You're also going to get the Freedom Online Business video upgrade and the video blogging profits. And finally, video blogging your way to millions. Okay, so that you're getting all of that and you're spending $14. Okay, seriously, you can buy yourself a pie of pizza with pepperoni and cheese and maybe some mushrooms or something at Domino's. Or you can get all of this stuff, which is going to help you to really, if you implement it, you could literally be making real money like you see right here on the sales page. So, I mean, seriously, now TubeGorilla is a really, really nice piece of software. I liked it quite a little bit, actually. I was really impressed with the software. I'll show you the members area. There's actually 2 different members area. First of all, this is let me show you the members area first. So over here, you're actually going to have the training on how to use TubeGorilla. You can see here all the various sections. It's going to show you how to edit videos inside the app, how to create thumbnails, how to use the SEO wheel tool, which is a really, really nice tool, by the way. All these things are going to be included for you inside of the TubeGorilla software. Okay, and you're going to get all this training. There's also some bonuses. I believe there's a bonus here for me as well. Let's see, TubeGorilla affiliate bonuses. So you're going to be getting, let me see what they've got over here. I haven't had a chance to take a look myself yet. Okay, so you're going to get my own durable course. You're also going to get, let's see, the beginner's YouTube video ad profits course as well. So you're going to get all these things, all of our bonuses that you're going to be getting on top of the bonuses I told you about that are going to be in my bonus stock. So it's really, really a massive collection of bonuses that you're going to be getting for your $14 price. So let's go ahead and take a look at the software. This is the actual software. And you can see it's really a comprehensive tool. So what I really love here, first of all, is the keyword tool, because what it's basically going to do for you is it's going to allow you to find the best keywords to rank for a given video. And basically what you're going to do is like this. You're going to go and find a video that is already highly ranked and stick it in here inside the video ID, and it's actually going to tell you which keywords are really sending traffic to that particular video. So basically all you do is go over to YouTube and put in whatever thing you want. For example, make money online, and you'll see which videos are really popping. You're going to grab that video ID, stick it into this thing right here. Okay, and there's a thing explaining how to do that if you don't know how to do that, but it's very, very self-explanatory. It's just the video ID. Anyway, and once you click search, it's actually going to give you a list of the keyword, not just every keyword that's listed there, because that wouldn't help you. It's actually going to give you the keywords that is actually getting search results from, which is really, really valuable stuff. You can also check trending hashtags. Trending basically is like, for example, right now there's a thing, cancel Netflix. Apparently is a trending hashtag because of their weird movie that they came out with. I don't care if you like it or don't like the movie, whatever. I think it's weird, and I'm not going to discuss it further than that. I think it's a very odd choice by them. But anyway, but cancel Netflix is, for example, trending. So if you wanted to piggyback onto that trend for some reason, and you wanted to figure out a way of making a video that maybe could get more people to your channel, you could actually piggyback onto that using the trending hashtags. Let me get my face out of the way over here. There I go. They also have a thumbnail creator inside the software, which is really, really quite nice. The thumbnail creator is basically going to be able to show you how to create thumbnails for the videos, and you have the video SEO tool, which of course is basically going to create links to your video. And again, if you pick up any upgrade from me, you're also going to be getting an SEO campaign for me, which is above and beyond what you're going to be getting for this thing. You can also go ahead and check your rankings of your videos, as well as handle automatic replies to videos, so that when people start commenting on your videos, you don't have to manually comment on them. You can actually automatically reply to them, which will help your video to rank as well, because your customers who are visiting are going to see these things. So overall, let's see if I'm going to give a tip match the product creator or not.
For the giant hat, sir.
Huge tip in my hat. Great job, guys. And again, use my little trick to, actually, I didn't show you the little trick. Well, basically all you do is try to exit. So that's the little trick. Just try to exit, and it's going to pop up a little thing saying that you get a discount. Just try to exit. You'll get the discount offer. And that's all you got to do, basically, and it'll automatically give you a $3 off offer. So really, really nice stuff. Go ahead and grab this one. This is good. You're going to love it.